Fuse replacement, for the OR2-M Lynx shielded dual relay output module. Each of the contact relays on the OR2-M Lynx shielded dual relay output module have spare fuses that are located inside the module. Should a fuse need to be replaced, please follow the instructions given here and in the RJG manual, as well as any safety guidelines and regulations, as set by your employer and/or government. The following supplies are needed to perform the fuse replacement: personal grounding strap, Phillips head screwdriver, and a fuse puller. Step 1. Remove the two 440 by 3/8 inch connector screws from the module's left and right side panel connectors. Retain these screws to replace when completed. Step 2. Remove the 4M 3 by 8 mm panel screws from the module's right side panel. Retain these screws to replace when completed. Step 3. Remove the right side panel and EMI gasket from the module. Retain these components to replace when completed. Step 4. Gently slide the front plate and board assembly out of the module case. Step 5. Pull away and twist the top lid assembly from the board. Step 6. Locate the fuse to be replaced and gently pull up to remove the fuse. Step 7. Locate the spare fuse to be used and gently pull up to remove the spare fuse. Step 8. Gently, but firmly, insert the spare fuse into the replaceable fuse location. Step 9. Twist the top lid assembly around and push down to locate the LED holes in the front plate. Step 10. Gently slide the front plate and board assembly into the module case. Step 11. Install the module's EMI gasket and right side panel with the 4M 3 by 8 mm panel screws. Torque the screws to 5 inches-pounds. Step 12. Secure the module's right and left side connector with the 440 by 3/8 inch connector screws. Torque the connector screws to 35 inches-ounces. Thank you for watching this video regarding fuse replacement in the OR2-M Lynx shielded dual relay output module. For further assistance, please refer to the product manual or contact our customer support department at support@rjginc.com or by calling 1-800-472-0566.